Learn. I learn. I learn English. I learn English with my phone. I learn English with my phone every day.
Read. I read. I read a book. I read an English book. I read an English book every day.
Write. I write. I write notes. I write English notes. I write English notes in my book. Watch. I watch. I watch TV. I watch English TV. I watch English TV on my phone. Speak. I speak. I speak English. I speak English with my friend. I speak English with my friend every day.
Go. I go. I go to school. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus every day. Come. I come. I come home. I come home in the evening. I come home in the evening every day. Eat. I eat. I eat rice. I eat rice with curry. I eat rice with curry every day. Drink. I drink. I drink water. I drink cold water. I drink cold water every day. Play. I play. I play cricket. I play cricket with my friends. I play cricket with my friends every Sunday.
Sleep. I sleep. I sleep early. I sleep early at night. I sleep early at night every day. Wake. I wake. I wake up. I wake up in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Work. I work. I work in a shop. I work in a tailoring shop. I work in a tailoring shop every day. Study. I study. I study English. I study English at home. I study English at home every evening. Walk. I walk. I walk slowly. I walk to the market. I walk to the market every Sunday.